So this is the control room with the studio console, equipment racks, preamps, Pro Tools, some compressors. This is the looking out to the studio. There's a couple baffles set up.
You got an old EV high impedance, what is that, a 525 or something?
Yeah, that might be.
We used to use them for PA when I was
That's
coming up.
the control room.
It's got a pretty raspy sound to
Through.
it,
Yeah.
from what I remember. But,
This is a lounge and kitchen.
It's used mainly as one of the
Here, and the garage door opens. This leads out to the vineyard outside. Coming into, this is either an ISO booth or an echo chamber. Here, it's pretty echoey, but leads out to the main studio. Here's the main studio. Cables there. Drum set. Gretsch kit. All standard type of mics. That's looking into the control room. A ISO boost. You can put cables in here. So this is a small one for guitar amplifiers. There. Another ISO booth, a little bit bigger. Guitar amp, bass amp, whatever you want. And then these are just moving baffles. Yeah, I'm just doing a video. Moving baffles that can be moved out of the way. And there's the diffuser. This leads to the outside, out the back door. Here is drum sets. Some kits here. There's a house tech here. Lucas is the house drum tech. Some snares. There. And this is another ISO booth. Back out to the main studio. And there's LJ. HVAC. Very important.
Very important.